Yeah, yeah, we can just rip it. There we go. There we go. What do you think about it?
Oh my goodness!
Do you love it?
Yeah!
What is it?
It's a digger.
It's awesome.
It's a construction digger.
Who's it from?
Auntie Susie too.
Yeah.
And Patrick.
Yes, yes. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Should we open it?
Sure.
Okay.
Look at that guy right there, Mom.
Oh, look it on the back. Here.
I want to see it on the back. Oh my goodness. Look at on the back.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Which ones do you like?
That.
Yeah. Should we take it out?
Sure.
Okay. Let's see.
I mean, we have to get scissors.
You want me to get a scissors?
Sure.
Okay, let's see if I can just rip it.
Rip it.
Rip it. Oh my goodness, look, did you see the tools?
Yes, see the toys.
Oh my goodness.
How we get this off, Mom?
Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it.
Awesome.
I think it's the little one, Mom.
Is it?
Yeah, the big one, isn't
Oh
it?
my goodness.
It's a big one. Oh my goodness, it's a big one.
Whoa. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Holy Toledo, Frito.
Oh, Toledo. Uh-oh. This dump truck
It's what?
it's stuck.
Is it stuck? My truck is stuck? Get it out. Hang on, Mama's undoing this one. Are you going to call Auntie Susie and say thank you?
Yeah. It's a digger, Mom.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Okay, and I've got,
Tools.
what are all these strings? Okay. So here's these. Okay, one. And two. Here's the next one.
Oh my goodness.
Do you love it? I'm going to skip scissors. Hang on.
Okay.
Okay. You can look at it.
I like it. I like it, Mom.
You like it? Good.
Yeah. Pictures. And down here, George, Mom.
That's on Curious George?
Yeah.
They use those? That's a drill. Can you say drill?
Drill.
Yep, drill.
The drill.
Yeah.
It is a drill. Kind of a drill.
Yeah?
It's a construction work. It's a construction workers, Mom.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Put that piece in.
Lots of strings.
Lots of string.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. It can't work.
Uh-oh, you gotta fix the wheel.
Uh-oh. That wheel come off.
Yeah, you're gonna have to fix it. Wow, it's a Caterpillar. That's the brand. Oh my goodness, that tire's falling off too. I see. You put those bolts in there. You can fix the tires. There we go. Okay. Can I see those and I'll put them in?
Sure.
Just to start and then you can put. Okay. Okay, Ken.
We have to fix it with this.
This one? think Susie said there's batteries. Oh my goodness, look at that. Can I use that?
Yep.
Thank you.
So,
Then you can play with it. Here it comes.
this is a construction worker, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Wowee.
Wow-wee.
Look at that. Do you love it?
Yeah. Wee.
Wow. Holy Toledo, Frito. That's pretty awesome.
Should we open the next present?
Oh, no, that's it, honey bun.
Oh. Should we just see this?
All right, say thank you, Susie Q, and Pat, and Molly, and Abby. Can you thank them? It's on the camera. Can you say thank you? You got chalk in your face. Okay, blow them a kiss. Can you blow them a kiss? No, with your hand. With your hand. Say I love you.
Love you.
All right, thank you.